My name is Guillaume and I am the Managing Director at Hotel Café Royal. Hotel Café Royal has been a hotel actually only for about 11 years. However, as a building and in existence since 1865. But the industry currently has a bit of a shortage of real skilled managerial level talent. And we are very keen as professionals to help nurture and grow this new generation of managers. You've got to really understand how a hotel lives, breathes every single day to then come back to it and work in an environment like this. You need to be in a job and do a bed, understand what it takes to clean a room, to make a cocktail, to check in and check out a guest every single day, to really understand what it means. Our involvement with Regent has been, pretty much from the start of this wonderful program. We had a few meetings with the team. We discussed how we could best influence in some ways the program, what we felt was important for a young professional to learn and to know and put in practice into the hotel they'll be working at. And it's quite unique. I don't think any other schools have done that so far, certainly in my time here. And for me, the absolute right way to do it. The commitment, therefore, comes from both parties to create the absolute best course, which we feel is both practical and theoretical, and means that the students learn every day when they come and work here with people that care about teaching them and coaching them how to really work well in this industry, transfer the passion that we have every day for what we do, and then go back to college and use that. With other universities, certainly the ones we've worked with in the past, there's an expectation for the student that says, well, this is what I've learned and what I want to put into practice, which doesn't quite work in the workplace. In an ideal world, they will love their time here so much that I will have at the end of the course 50 applicants to work here, and therefore have a skilled, intelligent, educated workforce that can apply what they've learned for 3 or 4 years into work here, will have shaped them, helped their education and progress and development. And therefore we will know they're the right people to work in our environment and industry. It is an amazing opportunity to work in what I would consider the best profession in the world. To make people happy every single day, and to be taught how to do this in a course and then in practice into a hotel like this is the best thing for me that you could do in life in general, for sure.